Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome to another video. So today, based on the title, you see that we're doing a smack or fact challenge,
right?
And today I have with me, introduce yourself,
Miss Petite. So go over to my channel, guys, and ensure that you subscribe to see more of these challenges and more of my lifestyle.
Yes, so I'll put her name there so you can go over to her channel, guys, and subscribe. So, if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. And if you're new, click the subscribe button. Hit the right so. Just click it here. So, let's begin. So, being that Miss Petite is the guest on my channel today, I'm going to let her start.
That's
hoping over there reading question.
We know some of them questions don't make sense, but okay. So first question: what shoe size? What's my shoe size? Don't look on my foot, girl.
6 and 7. 6 and 7.
Where you get 6 from?
7, 6, 7.
Yeah,
depending on the size.
But you never said 7.
You said 6 and 7. 6 and
don't
7.
Wear 6.
I said 6 and 7.
But me don't wear 6. So you're wrong.
So I did say 7.
Girl, you're wrong. It's half that. You're supposed to get 1 point.
You can't smack me for
of course I can.
Points.
Me can't. Worse, you get to the phone and more to the barrel. Hey, I saw barrel phone. Shamara can't come, you know. Shamara. More boxing with the far away.
Guys, there's nothing wrong with the powder.
Shamara.
Nothing.
I some ancient powder in here. Who use them the same way? Who use this? Who is far away? Shamara, some ancient powder in here. Shimmering body powder. Let's see if that smells the same way. Come, because you get half of them, right? You're supposed to get 1 point, you got half.
So half a box I give me?
Maybe just give a box. It's just not going to be as hot as we don't want it to be. Which cheek? Left or right?
I'm not getting any more.
One.
My question: what artist was I obsessed with in university?
Jesus Christ.
Chriselle would know this.
But wait, is it a local artist?
A
or
local
overseas?
artist.
Chriselle. Chriselle, what is it? Is it Rasta man?
No, you must tell me. Me get the sweet honesty ready.
You don't say it up on the top of my head?
5,
Wait.
4, 3, 2.
Jackie or Deep Shot?
No, come get ready.
Come.
Move your ear.
Girl, remember me not good enough. Try to take your time.
Yeah, you just get.
And the giant it broke.
Come inside.
Come.
I am confused.
We know it is a Rasta man. No, sorry, girl, dislocate my jaw.
Next question.
Okay. How many of my sisters have my name? Or a part of my name?
2. Lamanda and Ladonna.
So enough to people do this. One.
How many siblings do I have?
3.
Who are the third one?
No, 2. You have a brother and a sister. Or a 2 brother and a sister. A 2.
It's 2, but you said 3 first. So.
Is that 2 million I say? No, the next job. Take time. Your hand is heavy.
May I take that?
Come on. Shamari, take time, man. Here, miss.
So what else did we catch you?
I get it, boy.
Is she a cheat?
No, sir. Alright. We need some hard questions. Yeah, girl, they said no hard questions.
That not hard, but that. Oh, me know say you have two sisters that have name like yours.
What I'm tell you? How long have I been working at my current employer?
You know, so me look on your LinkedIn page.
Tell them something.
2013. Since 2013, 7 years. Or almost 7 years. From 2013.
2012.
12?
Yes.
I think after me left anyway.
2012. You are so far away.
Close.
Which
same one.
Hey, I feel like say, you still back to you give me first. I still have feeling it, you know.
You see for that?
But it's after it now. I feel like we need some hard questions.
What piercing am I itching to get done?
Your nose. Your nose.
Alright. She get that one there, right?
Okay. You watched my last video though. I feel like you would have known that.
Ask a question.
I'm not asking the question yet. Alright, what's my dream car?
Alrighty. Guys, I've known her for 13 years and she's never told me what her dream car is.
I talk about it all, well, I'm going to talk about it all the time, but I have spoken about it. My dream car is a Mercedes Benz.
I never say Benz.
But I look Benzish. You look for me and you see Benz? From same job?
Yes. Jesus! You know my God! Oh God!
I never expect the one. Listen.
Girl, I tried this locate my jaw.
When uncle teach me for driving, tell him some foot heavy.
Yeah, and every
The rest of money.
Honestly, them something here.
No rest of and heavy.
What is my fake name that I give to guys?
Shit, we know this now. We know this now. But you know, so that's a hard question. It's an easy question. That's not fair.
Oh, I must know say you like Benz.
Come say it.
Well, me use it.
You look like a Keisha, you know.
That's your final answer?
No, it's not. I think they even said, what do you know?
5, 4, 3, 2,
That's how I
1. Straighten up.
What is it?
Simone or Nairobi.
That,
Tell
that
her
me I
Nairobi the
remember.
other day. Come.
Remember the joy I did broken.
Then give me next jack on and then
And you come twist my neck.
turn around, man.
Come.
See how you the hand black it, man. Come,
I'm afraid I
man.
didn't know. Good girl, white up my ear. True.
Listen to me. Robbery.
Oh, bad coloring. Alright.
Come on, easy question, man. That we can't. This can't happen. All we do our backs to each other.
What's
That's
my
alright.
favorite drink?
Hold on. Drink as you know you go. But a long time we not go party and so we don't need no man though. You wicked so.
Chriselle would I know? No, sir.
Me know Chriselle favorite drink.
Heineken, everybody know that.
Rum cream. Mojito.
Well, rum
Rum
cream is
cream.
one, but and that me I talk about.
Where they can
The one thing when we
you
drink.
never said the
No.
favorite.
That's not my favorite, but it's not my go-to drink. My go-to drink is a Smirnoff. Tomorrow,
Oh,
you're gonna come on birthday and have the Smirnoff
Smirnoff
cake.
cake.
You see one of us have good friends?
I knew that,
The
guys. I knew that
Smirnoff
one.
cake. I can't believe I forget the one day.
Manda. But give me a little half, another half. You're going to on the first half. I'll make one.
But now back to that. I don't want no more.
The last 2 boxes, you don't get no 1 box you get from me, you know? The rest of them are your ears.
A 3 box for the
I know your ears.
Wait, how much points you have? Let's even know. Come. But now back to that. That not.
That can't work.
Come, let me see how much points you have. What are the points standing? So,
Comment below if you're keeping track.
so the shoes, did you get that wrong?
Me get half.
It's not half. You cannot get half in a game like this. It's either get 1 or none. So the shoes, did you get that wrong? So that's 1. The sisters, you got that right. The dream car, you got that wrong. Bear, you got that wrong. So we've asked 4 questions.
4 questions.
So you get 1. But I know one time we box you. Oh, you get 3
3
wrong
times.
and 1 right. Okay.
You,
So we'll have
you don't get none right, you know? You get 1 right.
get 2 right.
And 1 you get right. The piercing are the only one you get right.
But this is now your 4th question. Because the 3 question you asked me. Go on now.
What is my favorite TV series?
Grey's Anatomy.
Yes.
Right? No, I remember something being said about it, so that's why I assumed say that. Oh,
I mean when I get boxed.
Alright, so which company did I land my first job?
Flo.
No.
That's Flo was your first real job.
But if you are work and I get paid, you work.
You're on a real
It
job.
don't matter about real job.
On a real job then.
No. That have before Flo.
Let's go.
Flo is my permanent job.
Let's go.
Yes. And you get it wrong.
When I get it wrong, I said the
Yes,
real
the
job.
Flo.
Which is their real job. They
No,
can't back
Shamara.
to this man.
Shamara.
Let's go. I was thinking of real job when they said
My
it's not the
question
real job.
said-
It's let's go.
My question
Let's
says,
go. Let's go.
but
can't
you get
back
it
me.
wrong.
Next
And let me tell you, no. Let me explain myself. Because I'm expecting
Remember,
for
say me and
you.
you go let's go together.
That is the problem. People, I'm going to use Beanie Man Connect. People, imagine me and this girl go for the interview together. We went to the place together to do the interview for the job and everything.
She said job. I'm thinking of
I
real
said job,
I'm
not
not thinking
real
of
job.
a part-time job, which would what Lasco would be a
A job.
part-time.
What is that job?
A part-time job, man. Don't beg for me, don't beg for me.
No, you get no back to you this week and it's today. I will feel how I feel for my hand.
My question them too easy. Man, that come for me.
I feel like your face don't look like mine. My face looks so. I'm going to spread it out a little bit.
Man, my back them hotter because my powder spread.
Oh. I'm going to just put a little down there so. That never hot enough, but come.
My turn, no. I forget this wrong.
So, how much that will reach now?
5, 4? 4 each, I think. But I have one question left, me we know.
Their car, sister's name, company. So this is your 5th.
5th one, yeah. What do I order?
No, 6. That was my 6.
That
so
was
this is
your
your
my
6.
6. What do I order at restaurants once I can afford it?
Yes, I'm other question there.
Try not ask me come here now.
Once you can afford it.
Yes.
It's a full question. Once you can afford it.
Yeah, not every restaurant we can't afford it. What do I order at restaurants when I go to it?
Lobster. So that too much. Put back some of that and make my sinus act up.
Ribs.
Oh.
Man, I have to get a decent box out of your come.
What do you mean? What does that mean?
One that actually can come.
You don't want me box you in.
You give me 2 boxes, I still a feel. Come.
You don't want to give me the box you know.
Come.
So right, think about it before you do it because
Come on.
remember my hand heavy. Come.
And your ear cause the problem, you know. Move that on your...
Come. You know,
I call them move while it's so hot.
you know say, I yes say you lick me with it now. And I yes so. I
Just
just
call
say
them
lick me
move,
with it.
but if you never move here, so with a connect, but you
Up
move
here
so
so,
that it catch
up
up
here so,
first.
the lick them for come from.
Because
no,
you
don't
move.
so. You know, don't so feel? A bone, one bag of bone this little. Alright? But that's not a hard question.
A very easy question, I believe. No, man, don't kill me. Don't kill me, girl. Don't kill me. So what wrong if me know it? You sure say me know you? You look for all of the questions and you sure say me don't know you? Unfair.
No, you know that too. Who's my favorite rapper?
Tupac. Tupac.
True.
Oh.
Well, you asked me that.
No, three look for me like you reconsider whether Tupac is your favorite artist. How many nieces and nephews do I have?
Not the fish, I'm right. I know you have bully. You do have niece?
The question is how many nieces and nephews do I have?
You have 2 nephews.
Okay, you're correct.
So why the niece come in? Or the niece come in?
Trick question.
That no fear. No fear like you must get a box for that. It's supposed to be a truth. It's supposed to be a fact.
There's a niece in the She's not here.
She don't want it. I feel like you get a box to the wedding.
Ask a question.
So, how much more questions we have?
Think about 3
So
or
1, 2,
2.
1, 2, 3. A 2.
Not 2 leave.
Alright. What's the drink that I buy whenever I go to restaurants?
Wine.
You look like a wine person?
No, Amarita Stowa.
You're wrong. No, you're right.
Amarita
It's a wine.
Stowa.
Come here far away back.
Wine never need to come out of the in a sauce.
Me don't
Amarita Stowa.
Me no business.
Might not give me one of the half pint name now.
Half? When you give me mix up question, but you have niece? Oh.
Manda. You know, say 3 questions this me get half.
Yes.
Amarita Stowa, Manda.
It is an American soul. I never that you say first.
Take time with me. Do Manda. My jaw can't admit.
Go feel that more this time, say, yay. Oh, me ready? Turn the little away from me. question left. If you never do the act box, then you wouldn't get the act box.
Abuse.
So we have one question left. One more question
What
left.
are my two go-to protective styles?
Locks and what the braid name? The plait braid name. Box braids. It right? Alright, one question.
It's like I set up myself to get beer box today.
That's your last question?
No, I might have one.
Yeah, one more.
So one more you must ask. Manda. You don't add me.
Mine too. What was my title on the student union? What position did I hold?
Executive secretary. Me promote you so much, me must remember. I'm going to give you an easy question for the end, and I hope you do the same for me.
You have the last question, I think.
Oh yeah, my last question. What brand car do I drive?
A Fit.
Brand.
Honda.
I'm not even Fit either. I'm not Honda.
What? So
I
what?
drive a Toyota Vitz.
But then nobody cared it.
Last time I asked your brand, it's
Take
a
your
Toyota.
time. It look fittish.
Guys, this is the last one.
You tried to get time in the summer.
After you boxed me so a while ago?
Because you boxed me so before.
I 3 times you boxed me so, come.
Listen, I need my job for my next video.
I need my job for my life. I don't know if when I wake up tomorrow morning, it's going to still flat and nice and everything. Come. Move your hand, man.
Man, this okay, my child.
We're a friend, me now box your hand. Come on.
Box me up here, so, and then give me the fat part.
Alright, come. If you don't move it, we box properly. Ready? Man down, we are being so far. So guys, 13 years of friendship.
No, Shamara,
Your wrong answer.
I lie. We get more right than you.
Comment below if you don't believe me, should I get my half mark then
We get more right.
I'm a Rita, so I get half. Mr. 6
That was not half. It cannot be half.
Mr. 6-7.
That halves don't matter in this game.
And there was another question, me get half. Last go, because she said job. I'm going to check the real job, which is flow. I never did check.
But that's the thing. I didn't say real job. I said first job. Real job would have been, if I said permanent job, that would have been different. I said first job, which would have been the brand ambassador role at Glasgow, where me and you did get. So, yeah. Guys, you know I won, right? Don't forget to follow me, Miss Petite, on my page.
And don't forget to like, comment what you think about this challenge, and don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Until next time, guys. Bye.